Just a minute. Oh, look at it. Don't pull. Don't pull. Oh my God, look. It'll take a little bit, baby. She'll rest in between. Oh my God, look. Oh my God. Oh my God, look. It's okay. Matt, don't pull on the afterbirth.
Okay.
Oh my God. Don't pull on her.
I know.
She'll get up. She'll get up. Oh my God, Matt. Is it a boy?
I haven't been able to tell yet. It's still covered.
Oh, look.
It's just now trying to get all the water out of its lungs.
Look. Oh, I wish you had your phone on you. Good girl, Daisy. Good girl, Daisy. Matt, I can't see the baby. Put the flashlight on the baby. Look at Daisy. You did a good job, Mama. You did a good job, Mama. Look at his little mane. Oh, what time is it?
I don't know.